You may have noticed recently that you're seeing less political related content on Instagram. If you'd like to change that, we can help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off political content restrictions on Instagram. Now let's get started. To turn off the Limit Political Content setting on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Suggested Content. Select Political Content. Then tap Don't Limit Political Content from people you don't follow. Once you've done this, limits on political content you see in your feed will be removed. You'll likely start seeing more political topic-related posts in your feeds after this. That's all it takes to turn off political content restrictions on Instagram. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.